Hey guys, my name is Dean Ginto from denonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called the Christmas Caper. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and walkthrough of how the Christmas Caper works. Now, as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on December 18th. That's when you'll be able to get access to the Christmas Caper when this goes live. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the Christmas Caper. Now to put this briefly, Christmas Caper is a compilation of proven traffic methods that Darren Brown uses today, which you will be able to use onwards as these are evergreen traffic sources. Now, Darren Brown is the creator of this program. Now, this is a compilation of previously released content plus new content added into the mix for creating ultimate traffic systems and building online traffic for leads, followers, subscribers, warm buyers hungry to be on your email list. Now, when you are growing these social media accounts organically, providing you supply great value, your followers will stay with you, which you can convert into sellers that are interested in your niche and you. Now I want to talk about the benefits of the Christmas Caper. Now Darren Brown will be showing you a step-by-step over the shoulder how to put this into action with proven money-making methods that work today, that are free option, or you can go with the paid option. Now, even if you are a newbie or above, this will work for any skill set. Now, this is equally priced for anyone to afford this, with millions of people who are using the generic, simple, saturated traffic methods. But imagine tapping into an unsaturated traffic method that is easy to set up. They're not restricted for you to post up your own content and plus create authority over this alternative traffic systems, which is also included in Darren Brown's easy to use and send, which is also shown in this training areas, that how you can set up and promote your link to hundreds, thousands, and even millions of people with any of the highly underestimated traffic sources, which is what Darren Brown is using today. Now, I want to show you a walkthrough of how the Christmas Caper works. As you can see here, once you log into this program, here is Darren Brown. He's going to be introducing to you the system of the ultimate traffic muncher here. So now when you press over to the arrow down buttons, as you can see here, he's going to be adding some presents to you for the Christmas holidays. So here are all the options that you can get access to this, the traffic sources. So this is the link to Referral Frenzy, join the coin payment, access to Hercules, join Funnel Empire. Here is the link to Elite, List Club, Crypto Mailer. Here is the ultimate solo ads. This is one of the best solo ads that I have heard. This is join the Siphon Reloaded. This is where you can join the OLSP. I myself am part of this, and you can join Coinbase if you are into crypto. So this is pretty good actually, and this is where you can join the CB Money Vine and join Ad Exchange Club. So right down here, if you press the arrow button down here, this is going to give you the instant access to mass mailer methods here, which you can get access to here by pressing this button. Here is the Monster Traffic Muncher tool here. This will give you instant access to alternative traffic methods. So you can get access over here on the button that you're going to be pressing here. And here is the Monster Traffic Muncher 3. Press on that, and here are the 50 exclusively selected mass mailer for you to join and start promoting right away. So here is where you can get access to the 50 done for you mailers, access this technique, then times it by 50, increasing your traffic and success with done for you access to carefully chosen mailers. 1 hour is all it will take. You will have an army of this secret method which top affiliates don't want you to know, and start building your list with this 50 times done for you. So as you can see here, this is what the Christmas caper is all about, as you can see. And pretty much you can get all access to all of these amazing programs here. So as you can see, this is only $9.95 for the front end of the Christmas caper, which I will be explaining to you after I show you my bonuses offer here. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Christmas caper, this is going to go live on December 18th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. Right down here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you'll need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when the countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now over here, to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that's come through to my bonus page here. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here that's going to go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page here. You can go ahead and send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses that I'm offering to you, they just mentioned to you earlier, is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video is only going to be one-time price of $9.95. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Please consider checking out all the upgrades if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. Right down here, you're going to be finding all the information of the upgrades onto my bonus page. You can go ahead and click the link down below on my video. And once you open up my bonus page here, you can go ahead and scroll down, take a look at the available upgrades of the Christmas caper right down here. It's going to give you more information, so you'll have an idea what or which upsells that you'd like to consider upgrading this item, because it's going to give you benefit to start earning more money with all these amazing offers inside of Christmas caper over here. Take advantage of this offer so you can go ahead and learn how you can pick all the traffic muncher options that you're going to be taking the route. And as you can see here, these are all the upgrades that you can pretty much upgrade so that you can take advantage of learning all this, because the more you learn, the more you earn. So if you learn more information about this upgrades, about the whole online marketing business, you'll be able to be successful with this by checking out all the upgrades. Once you learn everything from this, then it will be a piece of cake for you to be able to make money online with this offer. Now, this brings me to the end of this video. Now, thank you so much for watching my Christmas caper review. Now, I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase the Christmas caper at a discounted price. And also, don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now, I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now, make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.